Zagadat. OT, now me volume.
What's popping, guys? It's your girl Tiffany Middleton, and it's your first time coming here to my channel. You're definitely welcome to the gang, and you know we stay lit or whatever. So today I'm gonna be doing a makeup Halloween tutorial. I have done this video before, and I felt like it wasn't it. Like I just didn't like it. I just didn't vibe with the video, so I'm recreating the video because over here we have quality over quantity. That's the move. That's the vibe we're going for. So I'm here to recreate the look. And today we're gonna be doing a skeleton look. I got it off from what's her name? On Instagram. I got it off on Instagram of this girl named Princess Hope, and it's really, really good. So I'm here to recreate the look, and that's the vibe we're going for, you know what I'm saying? Let's get straight into the video. Okay, so I have done my eyebrows, as you guys can tell, obviously, and I already primed my face. So now we're gonna move on to foundation. Basically, what is gonna happen right now is that I'm gonna put on foundation, I'm gonna conceal, I'm gonna set my face, and I'll come back with. And then the next thing we're gonna do is my eyes. We're gonna do eyeshadow after I've done everything. My face and my face is all done. So when I come back, my face is gonna be done. Yeah. So I'll be right back. Okay, so now that my face is all set and done, we're going to go into the eyes. We'll be taking this very dark shade. It's called Black Beauty, and it's my very BH Cosmetic palette. This one right here, and we'll be patting it on our eyelids, basically. Yeah. So because we're gonna get like a really smoky eye, and yeah, that's what we're doing. Let's go. So now that that is all put in and set in, we're gonna blend it out, and I'm gonna go into this shade called Midnight and blend everything out slightly, but not too much. But and we're also going in circular motions to distribute evenly. I think that has been distributed nicely enough. Yeah. So now we're going to go into spice to add a little bit, like a little bit color. I mean, the pigment doesn't the pigment doesn't show as much as I would like it to show, but it just adds a little bit of a little bit of yeah. So let's get straight into it. And this is like on top of my crease area. Okay, so now that that is all done, I'm gonna go straight into my under eye. First of all, I'm gonna dust off all this powder on my face, then go straight into my under eye, basically. And yeah, now going to the under eye, and basically we just put in everything we put on top of my. Basically, we're putting everything we put on top on the bottom. It's as easy as that. Why does everybody and their mother do this face? Like, look at it. It's so ridiculous. Like, what? I'm just gonna line my underwater line. Is that what it's called? With this black liner. And yeah. Now we're going to go straight into our nose. We're gonna carve out our nose, basically. And yeah, let's get straight to it. And I'm just using this black pencil that I use on my under eye. And you can basically use anything. You can even use like a black eyeliner. I think this is black. I'm gonna use a black eyeliner to make everything pointy and sharp. So now I'm gonna blend it out slightly. So I'm done with the nose. I think it could be better, but I think I really did a good job, I guess. Yeah, so let's get into the next thing that we have to do. So now I'm gonna sketch out the skull, and I'm pretty excited because I hope I don't flop. So once again, I'm using the black pencil, and I'm just going a straight line. And then I'm gonna have a curve. Yeah. And I'm gonna go to the next one and do that. So now we're gonna blend it out slightly. Okay, so now the skull and everything is all done. And I hope you guys realize that I also made my eyebrows look a little bit darker than usual. Just to go with the whole scary vibe. Like, ooh, I'm a skeleton or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So now we're going to go to the lips. So I'm going to darken up the inner part of my lips to make it look like very dramatic and very like bold. So yeah. The way I make my mom go like is so funny. I am so funny. Now I have to blend it out. It looks like, yeah, I think it's looking pretty good. So that part is all done. Now we're gonna do the mouth. How to make it a little bit scary. Ha, 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 ha. First of all, I'm gonna draw the line first. Mm, So now I'm gonna use a white pencil to make it a little bit more dramatic. Why not? And I hope it goes well because like, okay, so I blended out the white and I blended out the black a little bit better. So now it's time to carve out the, is it the teeth? So okay, so now I'm gonna start highlighting basically. And yeah, and to just make everything pop up and look nice. Oh my god, I totally forgot about this step. So, I'm supposed to make myself look very angry looking, and I totally forgot about that. So now I'm gonna take the same flat brush that I use for my eyes, and I'm gonna go into Moonlight in the palette, and I'm gonna curve this thing out to make it look like I'm very, like, you know, it's like carving on my skull. I knew I was forgetting a step, but I could just put my hands on it. But anyways. Now I'm just gonna blend it all out. Now it looks very dark and evil and mysterious, you know. Whoa. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to the highlighting that I was doing before. And yeah. Why am I so forgetful? Oh my god, I forgot to put on eyelashes. So when I come back, I'll be done. I'll put on my eyelashes and spray my face, and I'll be right back with you. Yeah. 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 Okay guys, so that's the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys got tips for what to do for Halloween. Halloween is next week, but when you guys see this, I think you guys will probably see this on Monday or something, but I don't know. Yeah, you guys will see it when you see it. I can't really tell y'all when you're gonna see it, but I hope you guys liked the video. Why don't you give it a thumbs up if you got some like tips, ideas, if you mess with my vibe, and just leave a comment down below to say how you're feeling, how what your mood is, how your week has been, and what you guys are doing for Halloween, basically. Also leave a comment down below to tell me what you guys want to see next. You know, I deliver, I serve, I give you what you want, and that's what we're about here. Okay, and that wraps it. And don't forget to follow all my social media. My Instagram, my Twitter is BrownieB, BROWNYBIH, and my Snapchat is ToffeeBabe200, TOFFYBABE 200. And y'all never ever ever forget to always keep it slaying. Oh, bye.
It's your boy. Yeah, yeah.